Welcome to Gardening in 60 Seconds. This year, I planted potatoes, tomatoes, and peppers in my garden. Normally, you want to rotate crops each year to a new bed and wait a few years before bringing those back to the original bed. The reason for rotation is that if the crop stays in one place, pests and disease will build up in that area. Rotating crops can break the cycle. Pests and disease tend to attack the same botanical families of plants. So, if you're interplanting with different crops, make sure families stay together as they move from bed to bed. This ensures that pests don't build up by being fed with the same family year after year. In my garden, I have all members of the Solanaceae family, also known as nightshades. This includes tomatoes, peppers, and potatoes. Because these crops all have the same family, they can even be grafted together. You could make a Frankenstein plant with potato roots and peppers and tomatoes on top. This has been Gardening in 60 Seconds.